relationship of badminton players' height with percentage of winning bracket prize money. I think we discussed this before. Percentage of winning and prize money, they're different, don't you think?
Yeah.
So I think it is best that you decide which one is it that you want to use. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah, sir.
Yep. So must be relevant to your IA or exploration report. Yeah. And
Yeah. Okay.
it is good that you've already put this number of pages. Yeah. And this is your personal code. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. But please fix the cover. Yeah. Put everything at the center.
Okay.
So put all of these at the center vertically and horizontally. Yeah.
Oh, sir, how do you do that?
Oh, the easiest way.
Yeah.
Well, I cannot change it. Can you see this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that. Okay.
Okay. Right, here you put the number of pages is 17. The number of pages is actually excluding bibliography and cover page. Is that correct?
Mm.
So therefore, I think the number of pages is supposed to be 16.
Yeah, 16.
Okay, you take out the first page and your bibliography at the last page, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's move on. Next, here you have a blank page. What happened here?
Wait. Wait. It's
So
blank.
the second page is blank. So can you fix this?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
I think there's something. Yeah, I did something wrong. I think the
Yes.
spacing. Yeah.
Please remember, yeah, the submission format is PDF, yeah, and
Okay.
often when student convert from Word to PDF, the position changes.
Changes. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Oh, yeah.
please pay attention to that. Right, moving on to introduction, but before that, you really need to put page number. Now let's go through your introduction. Remember, let me just bring up the presentation I've shown you and the others before. Okay. Right, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, so in the introduction, you need to explain your aim. Yeah, your exploration aim. Why are you looking into this exploration and what results are you expecting? Give a general description of how you're going about your exploration as well, or how you're going to do your IA, or how you are going to achieve your aim. Make sure you have to include personal engagement, such as explaining why this topic is of personal interest to you. Yeah, so this is what you need to have in the intro. And I did put this as well in the beginning of IA instruction last semester. Yeah, so please pay attention to that. Okay, let's take a look. Badminton is a sport for every age and individuals. Oh, every age? Are you sure?
Well, I mean, not for babies, sir.
I know. That's why. Uh, be very careful. You might want to do some rework. Yeah. I don't think you will be heavily. I don't think you will be penalized. You just double check again on this, okay?
Okay, sir.
And here you put anyone who can still grab a badminton can play badminton. Okay, that's what you put. But somewhere I read here.
Yeah.
You put here anyone who can still grab a badminton racket can play badminton. But you put badminton was created for fast people. So
Yeah.
not necessarily for anyone. Yeah. Anyway, I will leave you to that. Yeah.
Okay.
When I read this, I was sort of thinking, didn't you say badminton is for anyone? Anyway, right. Badminton was created in the last century, 2,000 years ago. Oh, can you explain this? How many years is 1 century? What do you think? Can you please double check on this?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You said badminton was created in the last century, 2000 years ago. Okay, please double check. Played by many countries, originating from Greece, India, and China. Okay. If you pick this information from other sources, please kindly give the citation here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay, sir.
If you take this from other sources. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what I mean. Okay.
So
Uh,
not so I put it also in the bibliography, right? But also
that is
there.
correct. Yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
you put citation underneath here, whichever style doesn't matter, and then
Okay.
you put that in the bibliography as well. Don't forget the access date. Yeah, when you access the information. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Access date in the, yeah. Don't forget
Yeah,
that.
okay.
Okay, here. Badminton was created for fast people that can increase their reaction to things. Here. What do you mean by this?
Oh, what I mean by that is like, if someone try to like for example, if there's like a incident for like a robbery or something, like someone try to fight you back, or like someone trying to steal something from you, you can like have a faster reaction to.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean, sir.
Can you clarify that here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Height technically matters in this case.
Okay.
In this case, refer to
In badminton, like,
playing
you know,
badminton.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. But it doesn't determine whether you are good or bad in badminton.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just need to fit in the court no matter what your height is. You need to know the weaknesses of yours and try to train yourself to become better in court games and overcome your weaknesses. Okay. And then next you jump to prize money. So in this first paragraph, it is good that you give background.
Yeah.
The background that you give must be related to what you want to do in your IA. Okay. Anything not relevant so far, can you please take it out? Okay, I will leave that to you. And then jump to prize money. Okay. Okay, you put prize money actually depends on how many games you have played and won. So it doesn't depend on the height because you put here.
Well, I mean, like, um, yeah, price money depends on if you win games or not. I mean, like that. No, I mean, I could also say height, but I didn't really think about that.
Okay. Anyway, so far, I hope you can pick it up as well. Your introduction need to focus more. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, like, I gotta put some more information about like the aim of it. I guess the IA, the aim of the
Yes.
IA. Yeah, yeah.
You need to drive your introduction that will lead up to what you want to do in your IA. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything not relevant, please delete it. You don't need to delete many. Yeah. Anything
Okay.
not relevant, delete them. Yeah. Okay. Prize money actually depends on how many games you've played and won. Also, which country you play mostly in. Okay. Looking at this, going back to your title, you're focusing more on prize money rather than percentage of winning. Is that correct?
Well, yeah, percentage of winning in form of prize money. Like,
Um,
is that possible? I mean, it's fine, right? You can measure it.
I mean, if you say percentage, means must be in terms of percent, not in terms of currency, because you put it here, percentage of winning. What do you think? So
Maybe I should reword it maybe, sir.
yep, please reword and
Yeah.
your title, don't make it too long. Okay, I mean, this is okay up to here. Please don't make it too long. Yeah, and
Okay.
please focus more on which one is it, because percentage means percent, price money is in currency. There's two different things. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Because different countries, different currency values. Okay. It was originally played as a game. Okay. Now here you put this sentence here. It was originally played as a game of battledore and shuttlecock that was modified into modern badminton nowadays. You know, this sentence is similar to the background you give at the beginning, don't you think?
Yeah, I should have put it there and not the prize money. So yeah.
Yep. Or you can just, if it is redundant, you can delete it, because
Yeah.
what you need to talk more is really about your IA, more about the height, the influence of height, and whether it's going to be the percentage of winning or prize money.
Mm. Right.
Okay. Any things not directly relevant, you can delete them.
Mm. Yeah.
Again,
Got
badminton,
it. Got it.
yep, badminton needs speed, agility, instinct, fast reaction, flexibility, power, and accuracy. Without that, we cannot win. Okay. Again, I think this is redundant because you did mention this at the start. Badminton was created for fast people. Yeah, you can actually combine this here if you like. Yeah, because this is just a repetition content wise.
Yeah.
What do you think? Sorry, this one here. Sorry, this one. Yeah, badminton needs speed, agility, instinct, and so on and so forth. And here you put already badminton was created for fast people. They're the same,
Yeah.
more or less. So don't be redundant, all right?
Okay.
Without that, we cannot win. Okay. Please do not use abbreviation.
Oh, okay.
We just use cannot. Yeah. Right. Now, here's your reason for choosing the IA. Yeah. I chose this topic. Why don't you change this into because topic is broad, right?
Yeah.
Your topic is sport. Sorry,
Mm.
your topic is
Badminton. Yeah,
badminton.
badminton.
Yes, and this is more focus. So I think you need to use another word for this. Okay,
Okay.
or you can just say I chose this exploration because
Yeah.
okay. Again, uh, you don't need these. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You chose this IA or exploration because badminton is my hobby. And plus, I think you don't need plus. You can just use N,
Yeah.
or you can delete and you use plus. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And badminton athletes have different skills, height. What's the difference between skill and technique?
Well, I mean, techniques are basically like uh how they place are normally, in the field. But if skill is more of like what every badminton players have.
Okay. So please clarify that. Yeah.
Okay.
Just briefly, that are different from each other. Oh, so I wanted to know if the height they have might affect their chances. Okay, chances of winning in a game. Where I think you should connect this to the prize money
Yeah.
if you want to do prize money. Yeah,
So maybe the title is chance of winning, sir.
could be,
Yeah.
but if you did that, then you have to change your data because your data consists of money. Yeah, all of this is in currency US dollars. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you talk about chance, that means you have to do probability. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, because
okay.
chance, right? Chance, that means probability. I think. Yeah. Okay, so you need to do some fixing. Yeah. Okay, aim. My aim of this investigation is to know if a player's height really affect their performance in matches to win. Okay. How big does it how big does it affect the chances of their winning? And does it only occurs in solos? Okay, now this is another thing. Okay. Are you really covering single and doubles?
I think I forgot to deal with that.
Okay.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't.
I mean, if you want to include them, that is fine, but that is going to be
Yeah.
difficult because
Yeah.
if you want to do double, then the height of the two double may be different.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the
Okay.
thing.
How big does it? How big does height really affect? Again, this is chances, yeah.
Yeah.
If you use chances, that means you are not being consistent. Yeah, because at the beginning you did not mention chances. It's more toward price money. Okay,
Yeah.
so please be very careful, but I will leave this to you. Okay. Uh, my aim of this investigation is to know if a player's height really affect their performance in matches to win. Right. So you mentioned your aim. What is it that you want to achieve in this IA, rather than wanting to know whether height affect performance in winning?
Uh, my aim is to really know if the height
No,
really.
I mean,
Of,
that is your aim,
yeah.
but what is it that you want to achieve, what you want to develop throughout your IA exploration?
Like in terms of maths, you mean?
Yes.
Uh.
Okay. Think about it, and let's just go through some more, and hopefully you get some ideas. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Because when student did IA, there has to be an output out of the IA. Yeah. Not only you want to know whether this affect this, yeah, but what is it? What's actually the output of your exploration? Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look. I choose this topic because I am an active badminton player. This is the same, right? Because here you put I choose this topic because, yeah, and here again you put I choose this topic because.
Yeah, it's repetitive.
Okay.
Repetitive, yeah.
So that's actually redundant again. Yeah. So please fix that. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything redundant or repeated, yeah, please delete. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I choose this topic because I'm an active badminton player and I want to know if a player's height really influences the amount of money they get from winning. Same thing as before.
Yeah, yeah.
I also choose this topic because this investigation makes IA interesting, as I also try to implement more of my math knowledge. Now, this part is interesting. Statistic is one of the easiest topic I discuss with my friends, and it is one of the easiest topic for me personally too, in the whole math syllabus beside interest. Oh, do you think you should include this sentence?
Um, is it like necessary, sir, to put that? No, right?
Well, since in this IA, I cannot really making the decision. It's supposed to be student making the decision, but this can be tricky.
But is it allowed, sir?
It is,
Oh,
it is your exploration. But the thing is,
yeah, yeah.
if you put statistic is one of the easiest topic, say if I'm the reader
Yeah.
and I see you put this sentence, statistic is one of the easiest topic, then I expect you to do very well in statistic in this report.
How about we say like in JC level? Is that fine?
You know what, Chris? I will leave this
Yeah.
to you, yeah?
Okay.
But, my tip is when you're making a report, you show your best. You
Okay.
show the readers that you are good in the exploration that you are doing. You don't really say, you don't really being negative to yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, looking at this, it feels like out of the 5 topics in MAT-SL, MAT-AASL, you only understand statistic, which is half of a topic. Yeah, because statistic is combined with probability, right? In topic
Yeah.
4. So statistic is not actually one full topic, it's actually half. And interest is probably only a fraction of topic 1. So just by looking at this sentence, at least to me, yeah, I could be wrong. This sentence signals me that you only master or understand a few topic in SL. So again, any statement that can give impression to the reader, negative impression to the readers, I think should be avoided.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again,
Okay. Okay.
there's no rule which that you have to put other than everything that you put in your report, in your IA report, all of them must be relevant and must help develop or achieve your aim. Whatever aim you stated in the introduction must be developed, yeah, and achieved throughout the exploration from beginning until the end. And there's an output to that. Okay,
Okay.
right. Okay, here you put a brief explanation on how you plan on doing the exploration, which is fine. I'm going to do this investigation by researching and collecting data. I will get the data of the player and prize money they get, and then I present the data. So you get the data from one source.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, it's all about prize money. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I will assemble the data that I have into Excel to see if there's a trend pattern going on or if they are correlated. The maths I'm going to use are statistic, including average and mean, spread of scores, which is standard deviation, correlation. What is Pearson? What is Pearson R?
It's one of the formulas, right, sir?
Aren't they the same? Correlation and Pearson R?
Well,
Can you please double check in the syllabus?
yeah. 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 I'll check, sir.
And regression equation. Okay. Maybe what you're trying to do here is mathematical modeling. Okay. Maybe just think about modeling and find out what mathematical modeling is. That's on topic 2. Yeah. Without this
Oh,
word.
okay. Okay.
I will show that the value of Pearson R by hand is equal to the value of calculator when, okay. This is not needed in the introduction because introduction only requires general process that you plan to do in your exploration.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Then I will use graph and table to present data.
Is that like, is that fine, sir?
Because if you really want to put your mathematical processes in order, this shouldn't go to the last, right? Then I will use graph and table to present the data, should go somewhere before. What do you think? Because beside when you mention tables, it's already covered here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I will will assemble the data that I have into Excel. Is that right? So
Mm.
I think this shouldn't go to the last. The last supposed to be the outcomes of your exploration. That's why I've been asking you, what is the outcomes of your exploration? Okay.
Right, right.
Do you have any ideas at this stage about the outcomes of your exploration?
Yeah. I know, sir. I understand.
What is the outcomes of your exploration?
It's basically like through this math processes that I used, like what did I basically learn from them, sir?
Chris, it's not that. I think we discussed this
Oh,
before. Take a look. Here you generate height and price money. Yeah.
yeah.
And you use Excel. Yeah. Here you can find the correlation, which is the square root of this value, because this is r square, right?
Yeah, it's our question.
And correlation is r, so you apply square root. Now let me ask you this: what is this? All right, this is an equation.
Yeah.
Y is equal to 6650.5x subtracted by 953,165. Is that correct? Yeah. And
Oh, it's a whole. I think no. I think they're separated, sir.
I'm sorry,
They're separated values.
which one? This one?
Yeah, I think.
But this is a function, right?
Yeah, they are, sir.
Okay. What is this function for? What is this function for?
It's to
This function is to model the relationship between height and earning in this case. So this x, can you see that x?
yeah.
If we replace x with any numbers on this x-axis, yeah, for example, 190, x is equal to 190, then you will get y value, you will get the corresponding y value here.
Yeah.
If you put x is equal to 195, then you go up, yeah, and then you can find the corresponding earning. Or if you replace x with not 195, you calculate, and then you can find the corresponding earning for x equal to 195. So this is actually to model the relationship between height and earning. That's what I'm trying to ask you before. This is actually what the output is. You're trying,
Oh,
hold on. You're trying to find a function that can model your data best. That's what I've been explaining since last semester. Did you get it?
yeah. I get it, sir.
So that is your output. Can you please pay attention so that you will not forget? And
Yes, sir.
that's what you have to clarify in your introduction. Okay. So that will be the end of the introduction. And what missing is you have not put the usefulness of your IA to your reader. What you put here, so the people reading my IA will understand. Then you have to explain, what will the reader understand? Do you get it?
Mm, yeah.
Lastly, I will analyze the data and give a conclusion at the end, requiring areas of further research too. I think this should come before. Because when you mention, I will analyze the data, aren't you analyzing the data here when you say you assemble the data, put in Excel, trying to find the pattern? Aren't these analysis?
Yeah, they are.
So please fix the order, yeah? You have to fix
Okay, sir.
you have to pick the order of your of how you're going to conduct your IA.
Okay, sir.
Okay, methodology, gathering the data. I got this from the website of this. Okay, so you have to put citation underneath. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. I picked the website. Don't forget the page number as well. Yeah. I picked this website source because it is the most reliable one, as it has complete data information about all of the badminton world rank players, including their earnings, wins, and losses, and so on, in forms of line graph. So if you mention here line graph, I think it would be better if you
Hold
uh,
on.
show it.
Okay.